So once again, I'm going to uh, explain about the literature survey, how to write the report for literature survey. Okay. So we start with searching for the reference papers. Okay. So let's go to Google Scholar. So open the Google Scholar. You can search for a paper for MEMS application. Just an example I'm saying. Okay. So we remove this patent thing. We want paper from 2016, and we specifically take few examples related to health monitoring. Okay, medical application. So choose those two papers. So check whether you can able to open this PDF or not. Sometimes you can't able to access it. Maybe this abstract is enough, or you can use iHub. Where you can access the paper free of cost. Some journals you can refer the paper freely. Please keep the audio in mute. Mute. I'm recording this session, so I download this PDF. Okay. Can you able to see the Word document that I open? Keep it mute. So we have to create a table, serial number, title, paper, journal name and year, author name, author's first name. Okay, that's more. First name is enough. Sometimes we don't want journal name also. Journal name sometimes we need it for the reference purpose. That's why I have written that also. Next is objective of the work. Application targeted. What is application targeted? For what purpose they have used? The last one is result or methodology. Or you can, if you want to explain more, you can add some other parameter also. Okay. For us, this is more than enough. So first one. So what is the title of the paper? That we will copy and paste it. Maybe you can use Notepad. Copy and paste. Next one, journal name and year. So it is published in the year 2016 in Micro Machines Journal. So the name of the journal is Micro Machines. Micro Machines 2016. First author name. What is the first author name? Some Thai name, Thailand name. It's from Thailand. Kachai Pengwang. copy and paste in the author name. What is the objective of the work? So read the abstract, you will understand what is the abstract of this work. I mean, objective of this work. So they would have said what they are going to demonstrate or what they are going to do in this particular work. Okay. Um, so they also doing a review. In this review, they are provided description of the key fabrication process and common material in order to for selecting microactuators. Okay, for selecting microactuators or guideline for mention here. Guideline for selecting microactuator. What is the application target? Microactuator. Its purpose application. Maybe the title will understand. For medical application. For medical application. What is the result from this work? That also you have to refer this paper. Sometimes we can refer the result. It will not be given in the abstract sometimes. They may say with the further development integration, will be able to achieve a better performance for medical application due to small size. Okay, they have given suggestion. Okay, in order to achieve a better performance for medical application due to small size. So maybe you can copy and paste this itself. Okay. Now we have to write this as a statement. Okay. How will you write? Yesterday I said you have to remove one initial name. First, in the author's name itself, there will be two names, first name and last name. Okay, you can either remove the first name or the last name. Okay, so if you'll remove the first name and write Peng Wang. Peng Wang et al. Add et al to it and also mention the year of publication 2016. Okay, so this is a review paper, so you can say reviewed or highlighted, proposed. You can mention those terms. Okay, reviewed that. What they review, microactuator can be used for medical application. Mentioned that microactuators can be used for medical application. What is the objective? In this review, has given the guideline for selecting microactuator. Okay, and also to achieve better. What is the result to achieve better performance for medical application due to its small size? So that and all some points. So with that we are going to write in order to achieve better performance. Okay. So instead of better performance, you can paraphrase the word and you can write. That also you can do. Or you write like this. Okay. And you can add some more points to it. What are the performance here? Some of the performance include what are the performance here? Small size is in, so you can note down mass production, high scanning speed, low So like this, you have to write the report. Okay. Okay. So I'll end here. So I hope you would have understand how to write the literature survey from this discussion. Okay.